Besides steak, we are going to do my husband's favorite. He said when I served this for the first time, "Why have you been holding out on me?" We are going to do baked but breaded green beans. And it's not fried, but it sure is nice. I'm making this video also to show my father-in-law how to come up with the breading and batter for something that you could use for something like green tomatoes, okra. This is what I have. 2 tablespoons of cornmeal, 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons, nope, sorry, that's 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of ranch style powder. You don't have to have this, but if you don't use this, I would add salt and pepper to taste. If you do okra, you do not want to salt it beforehand. I'm going to use 1 egg and the egg white of 1 egg. Then I have some whole milk, and I am going to pour in what I like to call a dash, but it's probably about a tablespoon. Let's try it. Our beans, I just snapped off the ends. They look really good. So these are a combination of beans from my father-in-law's garden and my own. So this is again the 1 egg, 1 egg white, whole milk, and I added salt and pepper. To our dry mixture, which I showed you earlier, I did add some panko breadcrumbs. And if you have the time, you can even grind them up just a little thinner. So I'm gonna mix that together and start the beans into the wet mixture. Now I just use tongs, so you don't have to worry about, a lot of the chefs say, you know, dry hand, wet hand. How about we just use some tongs and then we wash them when we need to. Let's get going. That's what the wash looks like. So I really try to let them hang out for just a minute rather than just dip and dip and dip. And then here is our beautiful dry mixture. That's the texture. And here's our first batch of little baked green beans. Now this is going to go into the oven at 425, and I'm going to check them after 10 minutes. And what I'm looking for is just a nice crunch, almost like a French fry.